Hello, Ahmad.
Hello, Isra. How are you?
I am fine, thank you.
Please sit down.
Thank you. This place is very nice.
Yes, it is very comfortable.
What are you doing here?
I am relaxing.
Are you learning English today?
Yes, I am learning English.
That is great. I want to learn English too.
Don't worry. I can help you.
Thank you, Ahmad.
You are welcome.
Ahmad, do you like tea?
Yes, I like tea.
I like coffee.
Okay, let's drink tea and coffee.
Good idea.
Isra, what is your job?
I am a student.
Me too. I am a student.
Nice. We can study together.
Yes, we can practice English every day.
Great. See you tomorrow.
Goodbye, Isra.
Goodbye, Ahmad.